I am Leigh Ann Romer. I work with pediatric pulmonology at Prisma Health. I am originally from Kentucky, so my physician assistant training was done at the University of Kentucky in Lexington, Kentucky. My first 10 years of practice, I started out in pediatrics. Around 8 years ago, we moved to South Carolina, and at that time, I was still interested in pediatrics, and so I took a job with an ear, nose, and throat practice down here. And then I've done a couple of other things since then, but when I found this job opening in pediatric pulmonology, I knew that that's where I wanted to be. Pediatric pulmonology is taking care of children and their lung conditions. So newborn preemies that may have immature lungs, cystic fibrosis patients, asthma, chronic cough, anything that relates to the lungs is what pediatric pulmonology takes care of. Pediatrics is my passion, so I love being with pediatrics. I love watching them from infants grow into toddlers and childhood and adolescence. And so just being given the opportunity to get in pediatrics, especially in a specialty and work at a children's hospital, has always been a dream of mine. I've tried to use an approach to where all parties are involved in the clinical decision making when I'm educating patients. I try to give them different treatment options and go over what I may feel is best, but also include them in their children's health so that they have a say-so in what goes on. And I feel like that helps them take more responsibility and basically just be more involved in their child's health and not just so dependent on what a provider wants, but they're involved in it, and so it gives a whole picture. I'm from Kentucky, so I love Kentucky basketball. Although it's men's basketball, I love South Carolina women's basketball. I am a huge Harry Potter fan. I love all things Harry Potter. My family and I like to go to Universal and spend time there. I have a son who's involved in many sports, so I'm always at a basketball court or a soccer field. We also have a lot of animals, rabbits, birds. If you'd like to make an appointment with me, please have your pediatrician make a referral.